Hello mga kakusina! Welcome to my cooking channel, The Cucinera at its finest. Today, I am making my own version of Larang. This is a rich, savory, and slightly tangy fish soup that's bursting with flavor and not a drop of oil. In my pot, I already have sliced ginger, red onions, fresh tomatoes, green onions, and green chilies. This is the base that gives this broth its warmth and depth. I am adding in hot water, letting it come to a boil to draw out the natural sweetness from the vegetables before adding the fish. While our broth is continuously boiling, I am seasoning this with freshly cracked black pepper, fish sauce, a little bit of MSG, but this is optional, and I am still adding salt. I keep boiling the veggies so all of the flavors fully develop. Now for the star of this dish, we are using lapu-lapu or grouper. It is firm, white flesh stays intact while cooking, and it soaks up all of the seasonings that we have added into the broth. Additionally, the lapu-lapu bones also make the broth richer. Let it gently simmer until tender and cooked through. Traditionally, kamyas gives larang its sour kick. But I'm having a hard time looking for kamyas, so I am using an alternative. We are instead using calamansi juice today. Add it after the fish is cooked to keep the flavor bright and fresh. What I love about this dish is the broth is so clean, comforting, and healing, and this is perfect if you want to take a break from oily meals without losing flavor. The broth is savory, tangy, and light, with the fish taking on all of those flavors. My take on larang, it is simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious. So there you have it mga kakusina. This is my own version of larang. Now if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your family and friends who love good food. Subscribe to my channel as well for more home cooked recipes, and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And if you've tried making larang yourself, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you did it. Salamat sa panonood mga kakusina. See you again on the next recipe. Bye now!